iPhone 16. The device was received from another repair shop with no initial charging issue. The phone powers on normally. It connects to the PC without any problem. However, the charging is very slow. And the current consumption is abnormally low, as observed on the power supply. The motherboard had never been previously separated. Important. Ensure that all screws attached to the board are removed before separation. Due to the temperature sensitivity of the iPhone 15 and 16 series, we took extra care when using the preheater. The motherboard was carefully lifted using controlled heat to prevent layer damage. Under the microscope, a donor Tigris IC was prepared. Low-melt solder paste was applied for both cleaning and reballing the IC. The damaged Tigris IC was carefully removed. Solder pads were cleaned thoroughly. IC replacement on customer board. The prepared donor IC was then installed. Both board layers were cleaned. Low-temperature solder paste was applied, and the board was reballed. The phone was reassembled and the charging function was tested. Charging resumed at approximately 2A. Current consumption is stable and normal. The phone now charges properly and network functionality is fully restored.